Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add an eSIM to your iPhone 17 Air. So, as you guys may know, the iPhone 17 Air does not support nano SIM because if it did support the nano SIMs, which are the physical cards, then we wouldn't be able to have a sleek design like this. So as you guys can see from the one side, let me quickly take my case off. Here, as you guys can see from this side, there's nothing, and from this side we only have the camera button, which is already small enough. So we definitely do not have the SIM tray right here, and now I'll show you how to easily set up an eSIM on that phone. So what are we gonna do first is we're gonna go over to the settings, and here we're gonna go to the mobile service. Now here we need to click on setup mobile service, and we should wait a couple of seconds, and then we will be able to set up an eSIM. So you guys can do that for the multiple ways. So the first one is to transfer it from the nearby iPhone. So whenever you're changing your model from, let's say, 16 Pro Max to 17 Air, and you just want to get an eSIM on the Air one, then you just use it right here. You guys can also transfer it from an Android, and the process looks pretty similar to the nearby iPhone, except it's an Android. And the last one is to use a QR code. So here you can choose your own method because I have no idea which one your operator uses. So if your network provider uses either the QR code or something else, then you can just scan it right here, scan the QR code, and now I'll scan my code right here, and as you guys can see, it is already scanning. So I can't tell you where to find the QR code because it all depends on your carrier and on your network provider, and here you guys need to just find it. So as you guys can see, activate eSIM, and our new eSIM from Orange is ready to activate. So I'll just click on continue, and now it's activating. The FaceTime window should pop up a couple of times. We just have to click OK to every single one, and now I'll see you guys in a second. So as you guys can see, the iMessage and the FaceTime window popped up. We have to click on turn on. Now as you guys can see, mobile plan setup complete, and the eSIM is active on this iPhone. So we have the network, we have the mobile data, and now we can freely use the device. So this setup was a bit quick. As you guys can see, we've got everything, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.